Welcome to creating a Learnics assignment using the web application. There are two ways of accessing the Learnics assignment page. You can go to the Learnics website and click Login at the upper right-hand corner, or go to app.learnics.com. It will ask you to sign in and create your account. You're going to want to be sure that you use your school Google account. Once you've created the account for using your school email address, you're ready to set up your course and assignment. To add a course, click the plus sign. Your course name should coincide with the course that you're teaching. For example, this will be English Period 1. Create an assignment, access your course, and then click the plus sign. Start by typing in the assignment name. You can assign a point value and also a due date. The description should be the body of the assignment. If you have a pre-made assignment, you can simply copy and paste and add it to your assignment. If there are any attachments you need to add or URLs that you would like the students to visit, you would link it as an attachment. Again, here's a site that I want the students to use, so I can simply copy and paste it in here. If you have additional sites, just click the plus sign. By clicking on expectations, you can add a minimum and a maximum amount of time for the assignment. The slide bar represents the minimum time and maximum for the assignment. The first dot you can slide across to add how much time you think the students are going to use minimally, and then how much time you think the assignment could take in total. You'll see that as soon as you add your minimum time, it then will divide up the time equally for the recommended site that you posted versus any external URLs that you want the students to use. You can also adjust this time by hovering over on the middle. And for this, I want the students to spend more time on the recommended URL than I do on their externals. So I'm going to adjust it to 15 minutes and 5 minutes. Assigning a bibliography is a coming soon feature. Please know that students can still create a bibliography from within the Student Learnics extension, but they'll need to be told to do so. The assignment questions where a teacher can type or paste the questions for the assignment. So for example, I have some questions that I need the students to answer for this assignment. Go ahead and paste that in. I can also assign point value to each one of those questions. If I have more than one question, simply click on the plus sign. Be sure to hit save afterwards. Finally, the post-assignment questions are still there as well. These questions will occur after the students have completed their assignment. There are some pre-made options for the teacher, or you can also type in your own. Once that's done, you can simply hit submit the assignment. Now you are ready to share the assignment with your student, either by copying the direct link or by copying the assignment code that the students would enter in the student extension. For the student view, they would be sure to have the Learnics extension added to their Google Chrome. All they need to do is paste the link, and this allows them to access the assignment. You can see here that it first wants to add them to the course. They can click continue. Once they click start logging, this is when Learnics will actually start to begin their logging process of all sites that they're visiting. So we can go ahead and start logging and begin the assignment now. They'll log in with their Google account. You can see up here that this blue banner tells the students that they are being logged. If the teacher has given permission, they are able to pause their logging or stop it. Below are the assignment details that you as the teacher had created. Here is the link that you want the students to use, and of course the questions we need them to answer. So the students can access the link and use the provided link to answer the questions that the teacher is asking them. They can type in their answers and click Submit Assignment. Students have access to their logging data immediately after submitting their assignments. This logging data shows submission times, sites visited, as well as their site distribution. If any Google searches were performed, their keywords would appear here. Finally, it also shows any sites that they visited. Students can show this in a timeline or even export it to a CSV if they need to turn that in. On the left-hand side is where the students would access the post-assignment questions or the self-reflection questions that were set by the teacher. By clicking on this, the question appears and the students simply need to type in their answer and hit Save Response. Finally, our newest feature is the Create Bibliography. Students can click Create Bibliography and all citations will be created for them. The bibliography is editable if the students need to make any changes. They can simply check the citations they wish to share and then hit Save Citations. Teachers have access to the same data analytics and can view those by going to the assignment page they previously created.